Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this Peanuts collection first of all I'm going to show you what's in the collection because I need to do 4 cards, so I thought let me show you the collection in full before I start to cut and use some of the elements. So I already stamped some images, and as you can see I colored them because there is this set of stamps and cutting dies you can use to create those beautiful elements. And as you can see, these are so cute and they cut so well, and I love that the borders are so pretty and the same size all over. So these are the elements I already stamped and colored, and for that I use this stamp and die set. All of those elements you can see in green, and they've got cutting dies, and green and black, these are with the cutting dies and stamps. The green one is only a die, and then we've got this one, it's a stamp and a die as well. So let me show you the stamps. So these are the stamps. As you can see, there are some sentiments. We've got Merry Christmas, warm wishes, season's greetings, and over here as well we've got don't open until Christmas, Merry Christmas, warm wishes from Charlie Brown and Snoopy. So you've got beautiful elements from with Peanuts, and I really love them. You've got those snowflakes, so you can actually create some backgrounds. A really fantastic set of stamps and dies. These are the dies, but as I said, the dies are all those elements in green. So we've got 9 dies in total and 17 stamps. So let me put this aside and let me show you the paper pads. So we've got a 8x8 paper pad. This pad has 32 pages, 12 designs, and it's 119 GSM. You can see all the elements on the front cover. As you can see already, lots of sentiments, toppers and elements to cut out. So we've got this candy cane. We've got this beautiful background. I will go through this one very quickly. If you want more information, you can ask me or you can check the website, and I'm sure you're going to be able to see every single sheet, but I am showing you every single sheet so you can see it for yourself. Lovely colors, and you can see this one has an again red background. Love this one, hollies and stars. As you can see, we've got some toppers as well. I love that wreath with the Snoopy. Lovely elements you can cut out. Okay, 4 sheets of those toppers, and then 4 sheets of those as well. Then you can see, if you don't like coloring, you can cut those elements out, but I will show you there are some ephemera pieces as well, which if you don't like coloring and if you don't like fussy cutting, then go for the ephemera pieces. Another 4 sheets of that, and then last 4 sheets are those elements here and sentiments. So elements to cut out, those elements, you've got 4 sheets per design. Backgrounds pages, there are 2 sheets per design, so I think that's quite useful information as well. So let me put it aside. We've got also washi sheets, and there are 4 sheets of the same design. So let me show you. You've got those strips, you've got those elements here which you can just lift off and use it as a stickers. You can see really beautiful design. So these are the washi sheets, and there are 4 sheets in the pack. Then let me show you those beautiful ephemera toppers. So these are the toppers, and these are slightly bigger than the small ephemera pieces. There are 2 different packs, so let me show you these, and let me count it as well because I don't know how many pieces we have in this pack, and it doesn't say actually. And what I like about this packaging, that you can cut out all those little elements as well. how cute those characters are. I love it. And I think this pack is really pretty. So we've got I'm going to show you and count straight away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So as you can see, some of the elements you've got on the washi sheets, some of the elements you've got in the paper pad. So yes, you can see which part of the collection you prefer, and maybe if you can't go for full collection, you have to think about which item you prefer to get. I think the paper pad, because it has those backgrounds and actually a lot of elements to cut out. So let me show you those small ephemera. I'm not going to count them because there are a lot of them, and in a minute I'm going to add a bit of video in which I'm going to show you all those 4 cards I'm going to create with those elements. So as you can see, there are lots of ephemera pieces, and there are so many different ones. So let me just go through them very quickly. Sentiments, elements, lots of those smallish sentiments, and there are some bigger ones as well, and different shapes. So lots of beautiful elements, stamps, like a wax seals type of things, a lot of characters as well. I love those kind of banners. I think that would be nice to use, for example, those two together. So lots of elements. I love that fireplace. Yeah, really nice ones. So we've got washi sheets, we've got ephemera toppers, small ephemera pieces, paper pad, and that set, stamps and die set. So in a minute I'm going to show you the other bit of the video in which you're going to see all my cards. Hope you will like them as well. So these are the 4 cards I made with this collection. The first one, I've done this rocker card, so you can see that it has this rocking element and a circle on the top with lots of elements from the collection. So I used a bigger topper and a smaller one. I used the paper from the collection as well, and I think it's really nice and cute. So yes, that's the one. Let me show you how it stands up. So that's the rocker card. Then I wanted to do another fancy fold. So this one is a stepper card. And as you can see, I used a lot of elements from the collection. I also used the washi sticker. So this one is the long one, long strip of washi. I used a lot of toppers, the smaller ones from that smaller pack, and those 2 from the bigger pack. And then I added some sequins as well to add a little bit of sparkle. So I think this one is cute as well. And on all of these cards I used some green and red cardstock from my stash, and I think if you've got any green, red, white, blue, or yeah, different colors, you can create beautiful cards with that. And then I wanted to create a very simple card. So this one is 5.5 inch square, and as you can see, I use some papers, big topper, and just a ball. So you can create very quick and easy cards with this collection, and you don't need to spend lots of time. You just need to create something which you really like, and I think those toppers and papers are just so great for quick and easy cards. And the last one is this 5x7. For this one I use the washi stickers as well. I use the papers. I also use the sentiment from the small ephemera pieces pack, and I use the stamp from the stamp and die set. I think it's this snowflake, and I also use that stamp and die, and I use alcohol markers to color it. And yes, another cute looking card. I hope you like my coloring. I'm not really great at well, I think I'm getting better. But anyway, so these are the 4 cards I've created with this Peanuts collection. Of course, I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check it out. And let me know which one is your favorite card. Maybe you've got your favorite card, or maybe you like all of them. So yes, I'm looking forward to read your comments. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you're not going to miss any new videos in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now.